Good morning. It's Monday. I'm in the midst of several different projects right now. Currently trying to draw the line art for Friday's draw along session. Sorry. Yawning again. Yeah, I'm currently trying to get the line art sorted. Like, the line art for people is done because I've used this reference photo for the green wolf-eye study, which I did like years ago now. So I'm just gonna reuse the line art because it's exactly the same reference. So that's easy. I just need to make the line art for myself ready for Friday. And then I need to make a supplies list as well, so I need to go through and find all the coloured pencils that I need and everything. I've also got a commission to do, or two commissions actually, for some Sphinx cats. So I am currently waiting for my iPad to charge because I want to sort of make a composition and do stuff on the iPad for various different composition things to send over. So I'm waiting for my pencil to charge because I never use my iPad and the pencil, so it's always out of charge. So that's currently doing that. So I thought whilst that's charging I may as well do this line art and then get some materials done. I also need to record some of the leopard today because that needs to be up and published next week for people to actually, you know, for a tutorial. That's the word I'm looking for. So yeah, that's what I plan to do today. I have a couple of orders. I packaged up some orders last night. I've got one order to do today so far, and if I could just stop yawning today, that would be fantastic. So we've got no gym today. I was going to go, but I kind of want to go, but kind of don't want to go because I just need to just sit down and get some stuff done. Also, I did go Saturday and Sunday, so I feel like I need just a little bit of a break. I don't want to overdo it, seeing as the gyms have just opened. Like, that's what I did last time. I just went ham at it and then I just kind of died. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little break today. We did some abs yesterday, so all of that area is kind of sore. So yeah, I'll just go tomorrow when I don't actually have any kind of work to do and just get these pressing tasks done. I've got this going today, and in here we have the gingerbread mix, and it smells, that's been on for like 2 candles now. This is the second candle, but it's been burnt and like re-melted about 4 times now, and it started off really gingerbready and that was just kind of cinnamony, and I kind of want the candy cane one, but now I've melted this one already, so I might go and do the post and everything. Got to go to the post box at lunchtime, so I might change it over at lunchtime and have the candy cane one. Cinnamon just isn't my jam today. I need to find some kind of motivation because I'm just kind of very lethargic. I didn't have the best night's sleep last night, which probably doesn't help my cause today. But I'm going to colour pick and do this line art, and then once we've got the iPad charged, maybe I'll show you a little bit of what I'm doing on there for this commission. But yeah, let's get to work. So I'm actually being really lazy with this line art because I have previously drawn it and then uploaded it. What I'm doing is I've just downloaded the line art for myself, and I'm just using my tracing paper and just tracing it today because I've already drawn the line art and I don't want to have to spend ages just redrawing the same line art, and I can't find on my cartridge paper where I'd drawn it previously because I always throw those out as soon as I finished an actual piece because I don't necessarily need like to keep all of these pieces of cartridge paper with grids and everything drawn out on it. So yeah, I just thought rather than spend a load of time drawing up a grid and then potentially spending like an hour just drawing this up for something that I've already done, I thought I'd just download it myself and just kind of eliminate half of the work here. So this is what I usually do for my students. So like, have this so that you can print it out and then trace it down this way if you have tracing paper. If not, then you can use like a light box or something to get the outline, or even use your computer screen or something like that to get the outline. But yeah, this is what I offer to all students so that it's nice and easy, you don't have to worry about gridding anything out. So there's my printout. Oh my god, you can't see, I'm so sorry for this angle. There we go. So there's my printout. It's very, very faint. Just scaled it up to the right size. Here's my little tracing paper sheet. So I actually reversed the image when I printed it out, so I wouldn't have to like trace it several times. So now all I have to do is get my paper, hopefully that's the right way around, yeah, and then just put it on it. There we go. Let's get a different pencil. I like to use a hardish pencil, so I've got a 5H. This is just a Faber-Castell 9000 range pencil, and I just use the hard pencil and then just go over the tracing paper. So this is a step that I do for portraits anyway. Usually I just grid out onto cartridge paper, draw everything out. I'll actually show you with the polar bear that I'm doing how I do that in a second. But once I've drawn everything out on a grid, then I go in with tracing paper and trace off the grid, and then do this onto my actual drawing paper, rather than going in and making a grid on my drawing paper. I used to do that, and then it used to just make the background so messy where you had to erase the grid. I say had to erase the grid, you don't have to draw a grid on your drawing paper. I could have used the dot method, which would have been easier, but I'm stuck in my ways. I'm an old gal now. So when we lift this off, hopefully we'll be left with a nice image on the paper, and then anything that needs sort of darkening up, I then go in and darken with my normal pencil. So you can see it's just kind of faint. So then we'll just go in with my trusty mechanical pencil and just add in over the top of the lines so that they're a little clearer. And then once that's done, we're all ready for Friday. So if anybody wants to draw along and draw some white wolf eyes, it's going to be available for the $14 tier on Patreon, and to all of my website subscribers as well. And we'll be drawing this live, which is what we do every single month. So there's the finished line art. It's really, really quick, because I cheated technically, because I didn't, you know, draw it out properly and again. But we don't mind. So let me show you what I usually do with the polar bear. Okay, so you can only see half my face, but I don't care. So what I usually do is I take some cartridge paper. I've got a big pad of cartridge paper. This has got the tracing paper over the top, but hopefully you can see. What I do is I draw a grid onto my cartridge paper, the size of the drawing that I'm going to make. And then I fill in each individual square. I make a grid on Photoshop as well, or whatever I'm using to copy the photo from. And then I just fill in each individual square across the whole thing. I number mine as well, so otherwise I get lost as to what grid or what box I'm supposed to be using. So yeah, I fill in all of the boxes. Then what I do is tape the tracing paper over the top. I then go in and transfer the image to the tracing paper, and then I need to go onto the back of the tracing paper and trace it again, and then I transfer it to my drawing paper. But that's the process that I usually use. This is what I usually do. This is what I usually do for all of my drawings. But today I just couldn't be bothered. Also, it's no good. I'm gonna have to tell you what these new products are. I don't know if you remember, I think it was the first vlog, Vlogmas vlog, I can't remember now, but I mentioned that I had some new products, and I wasn't gonna say what they were, but I don't know when they're gonna get here, because I haven't had any confirmation like that they've been like printed or dispatched. So basically what I've decided to order is I just want to try out and get like some different range of products in. This angle is just still cutting off my head. There we go. There we go. I just wanted some different products that weren't cards or like card based, like the bookmarks, still like a paper product. So decided to order some coasters, and I'm really excited. Let me show you the designs that I ordered. I've got them here on Photoshop. So I've got a wax wing. So beginning of this year I finished the wax wing drawing, and I haven't really done much with it. It's kind of just been one of those ones that I've just kind of been like, don't really know what to do with it apart from make a card. So I have done the wax wing as a coaster. I'm just trying to find the other artwork. I can't remember where the hell I saved it. But I'm really excited about these because I've done coasters before of like pet portraits and stuff, and they've never really sold well. Just kind of did them as like add-on products when I did pet portraits and things, and they were kind of okay. But these ones I'm going for round ones this time, and these are the designs. We've got the wax wing. If I just focus that so you can see it better, kind of put it off so it's like looking off to one side. Love the placement. I think that's going to look really nice. The colours are quite saturated. They're not coming out on camera very well. So there's that one. Obviously the grey area is going to be like the bleed, and that's going to be like the edge of the coaster. And then you've got this one as well, so the old butterfly drawing. I was going to put the blue butterfly on the coaster as well and have 3, but I've just ordered these 2 designs so far, and I love the butterfly one. I think that one's my favourite. Those are my new products. I'm really excited about them getting here and yeah, launching them to you guys. I'm thinking of having like little boxes to present them in as well, and some crinkle paper. I don't know yet, we'll see. Maybe just package them up with some simple ribbon or something. But I'm really excited about those, so hopefully they get here soon. I was thinking of other designs that I could put on some coasters, and I don't know what else would work well. Obviously I think the blue butterfly would, and it would go really nicely with the butterfly. And I was even thinking about the bee, so then we could have like a pack of bees and butterflies, like pollinators. But I don't know what else would look good. Like, I have lots of different artworks, but whether they would work well on like a circular coaster or even a square coaster, that's a different matter. And I'm not even sure like what the market is for coasters and that kind of giftware. So if you have any other suggestions as to what you would like to see and what particular drawings you'd like to see on what, please let me know, because I'm always open to ideas, and obviously this is kind of like, you know, market research. So if there's anything in particular, like a particular animal that you would buy that is on a giftware, like a coaster or even like a tea towel or something, please let me know in the comments below, because it's going to help me out immensely. Because even if it's not something that I've drawn before, let me know as well, because I can always go about and draw it and then I can put it on stuff. But yeah, I've been doing my little planner. I've inserted some footage of me planning last night. I just got carried away with it. One of the things that it asks is like how you can increase your sales and how you expect to like get to your goals or your dream that you set out for yourself, which is what this book makes you do. It makes you set out a dream and then break it down into goals and then manageable tasks so you can get there. Basically my dream and goal for 2021 is to have my own studio and to actually move and kind of have a house that is like self-sufficient. So we've been looking into solar panels and stuff, and that kind of thing. So I either would like to have my own studio or gather enough money and funds to be able to move so that I can have a larger area or a larger studio, even if it's just like a larger shed conservatory thing at the end of a garden in this new house. That's the ultimate goal. So yeah, in order to do that, basically I need to increase my product range, because Etsy really rewards you for having a lot of products in your shop. And I started off my Etsy at the beginning of the year with like 30 odd, and now I've got 50, and I just keep drawing and adding in new cards and things, and hopefully we'll get to like 100 products eventually. But just trying to add in lots of different products, lots of different ranges, so that there's a lot to please a lot of people. But obviously I can't have a lot of products in this studio because it's getting full up. I just need to go around and like manage all the space, I think. I've got hiccups now. Yeah, so that's my goal. So if you have any suggestions as to what you would like to see on any particular type of products or anything like that, please let me know. It's going to help me out. But yeah, rant over. So we've just had a little bit of a tidy up because there was like a big pile of puffin packs here and just a load of stock that was just everywhere. So we've decided that Wilfred had to go upstairs because he was just taking up so much room to get in these tiny doors. So now we have this guy. He needs a name. He's been in the kitchen, he doesn't have a name yet. So we've just put him there just for a little bit of greenery in the background, and he doesn't take up that much room. But we've sorted out this area, put the puffin packs in there, and we've moved the bookmarks. They were all in there, and we put the bookmarks up here, put an extra shelf in the DVD rack for all of the bookmarks. Yeah, and just moved this rug. It was against the door going that way, but now it's this way. Yeah, and it feels really weird in here now. It's Wednesday. Just thought that I would just tell you guys what I was doing yesterday. So you've seen some footage of me mounting some prints, because I've had some prints sitting here for ages and I haven't actually got around to mounting them or framing them, so I've just done that. I will show you them in tomorrow's vlog, because it's Wednesday, so I just thought that I would just tell you guys that and sign off for today, because I haven't signed off for actually Wednesday's vlog, so for today. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow with another vlog.